Danelfin is a stock analytics platform powered by artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional stock picking tools, Danelfin leverages AI to rate stocks and ETFs, analyzing 10,000 features daily using over 900 fundamental, technical, and sentiment indicators. On the homepage, you can search for your favorite stocks or ETFs, see the most important daily rankings at a glance, or use the main menu to navigate the platform. Danelfin analyzes all U.S.-listed stocks, ETFs, and all main European stocks. In the U.S. Top Stocks section, you can see a ranking of the most popular stocks, ordered by their AI score, which rates the probability of beating the market in the next 3 months. The Top Stocks ranking is a great place to search for investment opportunities. If you are more interested in ETFs, you can check the Top ETFs ranking. Once you find an ETF or a stock that interests you, click it to open its analysis page. The AI score is the key element of the analysis. The fundamental, technical, and sentiment scores consider only those specific types of features, while the AI score considers all available features. It is also important to consider the low-risk score. The higher the low-risk score, the lower the downside risk. The stock analysis section provides a clear explanation of the stock's AI score, based on its probability of beating the market compared to the average probability of any U.S.-listed stock. Danelfin is not a black box. You can see the top alpha signals behind the AI score, allowing you to easily understand why a stock is rated as buy, hold, or sell. The buy track record and price forecast section includes an AI-powered forecast. It shows the expected price path for the next 1, 3, or 6 months, along with recent past buy signals superimposed on the price chart. The suggested trading parameters offer actionable stop-loss and take-profit indicators for a 3-month time horizon. The average past performance and win rate section, along with past buy signals performance, and the historical score evolution graph, offers full transparency over the accuracy of Danelfin's AI scores in the past. In the Trade Ideas section, you can find all the stocks and ETFs with the best win rate, which are the ones that Danelfin rated more accurately in the past, ranked by their historical win rate after 3 months of past buy signals. You should also check the rankings by sector, industry, and investment themes. The My Portfolio section lets you build a portfolio of your preferred stocks or replicate your existing portfolios to track their AI score, performance, and portfolio diversity score. Creating a portfolio also enables you to receive daily alerts of any changes in the AI score of your stocks. If you are interested in building a diversified long-term portfolio, the Danelfin Best Stock Strategy has outperformed the S&P 500 by 73% over the last 5 years. Danelfin brings AI technology, once reserved for hedge funds and elite investors, to everyone, revolutionizing stock picking. Try it for free now.